Alright guys, this is my exhibition disassembly video. As you see, this thing is in dire need of rebuilding. So, I like to say for this, get yourself a set of, if you're doing a lot of Victrola work, phonograph work, get yourself a nice set of screwdrivers. This is some Grace screwdrivers. These are gunsmithing screwdrivers. But as you can see, maybe you can see the tip using my phone, but the tip are cut in so they fit screw heads perfectly, and you won't, when you turn them, you won't damage the screw head. Take the thumb screw out so we don't break it. Set that right there. See, that one's not fitting in all the way, so we're going to get another one. Get one that will. There we go. And see what I mean? The tip is cut like a T. So you see it fits right in there. Oop. I'm trying to do this and holding the camera. It's kind of difficult. Trying to do it where y'all can see. There we go. Now this isolator, this is the rubber isolator. It's supposed to be soft, but this is just coming apart. There you go. Needs to be replaced. So this is what you got now. So what you do now, you see you got 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. These might be stuck, so what I might end up having to do is go back and use some 3-in-1 and some coil and let these soak before I try to tackle them. But we'll go ahead and try and see what we can do. Get one that fits right. Don't want to booger the screws. And I might have to go to another set. That one snapped right in. Nope. See if we can get one of these others. That one came free. See what I mean? They just fit right in the screw head. You just got to find the right one. I lucked out. This one's in good shape. So the back should just come right off. Now I'll take this opportunity to clean this up Make it all nice and shiny. May end up making it black so you can see the white lettering. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Dirty. And here's what we got. As you can see, there's some wax covering the screw. That's to keep the air, keep it airtight. What I'll do is I'll have to scrape that off very carefully, and underneath that is a little tiny screw that holds this needle bar in place with the diaphragm. So what I'll have to do is I have to scrape this off, pull out the little screw, then I should be able to take off this gasket right here, this inner gasket, or outer, however you want to look at it. Remove that gasket, then push out the diaphragm, and then I'll be able to get to this gasket here. As you can see, it's all cracked and it's rotten. I mean, this is just gross. So yeah, and then that should be it. And I'll do a reassembly video. I got to get a soldering iron. Because what you have to do is when you put this thing back together and you get it all adjusted right, you have to melt wax onto this part of the needle bar in this side. So what you do is you use a soldering iron, you heat the needle bar. You put a piece of wax, you heat the needle bar, and the wax will melt, and it'll create a seal. You do that on both sides. Then you got some adjustments here. We'll go into that detail later. There you go. Give you a little lot easier to see it this way. Here's your screws for the backing plate, which is here. That's your rubber isolator. There's the screws for it. Thumb screw for this. That's to hold your needle in place. You got a gasket here, and you have a gasket here with the mica diaphragm. And I got this is what I'm using to rebuild. This is what I got from eBay, Walt Summers. I've used this product before. Never had any problem with them. So I will be using this. This rubber isolator, I'm probably going to put on the other one I have rebuilt that I'm using now. It's a little old, so I'm going to take that one, put on it, and I'm going to take the original one off the other one and put on this one. Because this is the one that's not on my machine right now. This is just a spare I have. Oh, look at it. See how dry rotten it is? This is, they need to be soft and supple. See how soft that is? See how soft that is? This is, I'm trying to do this with a camera. Look at this. And that's why your phonograph Victrolas don't sound good. So here we go. I'm going to clean this up, and we'll make another video when I'm time to put that together. Thanks.